So we're going to this famous mall, and it's called Terminal 21 with the plane. And on top of the mall is a famous hotel which you can book, so you can go shopping every day. And it's beside this famous Dusit Thani. And these are the famous tuk-tuk. They go around for only 20 baht. Okay, unlike Bangkok, the tuk-tuks are basically motorcycles. Here, the tuk-tuks are actually jeepneys, and they just keep on going around. And you can discover the whole of Pattaya. So this is the only mall with a real airplane, and no wonder it's called Terminal 21. So ano, magsha-shopping ka? Marami kang bibilin? Kakain ka lang? Ah, okay. So food trip ka, Berna? Yes, that's Berna in front. The reason why we love Pattaya, you can go shopping, there's beach hopping, and there's so many girls at night. Yes, just don't bring your wife or your girlfriend. You can enjoy the night time here. Sabi ni Berna, maganda rito sa gabi. Yan, no? May kasama pang airplane. Actually, Pattaya is full of action at night. Para siyang Las Vegas. Ayan, yan yung mall. At give you a better view of the plane. Ayan, Terminal 21. As we go inside. Ba, ang galing, oh. Pagpasok mo, may nakalagay, departure for Tokyo. Ha, talagang terminal talaga, no, ha? Oh, wow, malaking mall din pala to. Malaki rin. So, kung mahilig ka sa shopping, pwede na sa mga shoppers to. Kung naman yan, yung food. Tumitingin si Berna kung merong tinatawag na, meron ba oysters, Berna? Marami siguro yung Japanese food dito. Oh, nakita siguro si Berna na gusto niya. Uy, wow, shopping ng mga elepante, oh. Ganda ng mga elepante. Mahilig pala sa elephants, oh. Shopping for elephants. Cute naman ang mga elepante na to. Kung mahilig ka sa elepante. Ganda rin tong mall na to, ha. Cute rin siya, ha? Terminal 21. Ito naman nakasabit sa bubong. Berna, silipin ko lang tong atrium, ha. May atrium dito, eh, oh. Ito, may atrium, oh. Oh, aba. Ano yan? Eiffel Tower. Napunta sa ano? Pattaya. Aba, okay, ah. Ito, marami sigurong hapon dito, ha? Cherry blossom in Pattaya. Siyempre, fake yan. Pero at least may cherry blossom. Okay, let's visit Ginger Farm. Maraming awards. Michelin sila, ha? 2020. Wow, galing. So that's their style of food, ha? So it's from the farm to the city. And nandun na si Berna. Wow. Don't tell me, kakain na naman kami. We've been eating all the time. Ganda ng mga ano, yung mga nakalagay sa bubong. Oh, Ginger Farm Kitchen. Famous because of so many awards. O anong meron dyan, Berna? May masarap? Uy, ito, ano to? Crab, oh. 1,890. But medyo mahal, ha? Ito si crab. Ano ba to? Thai food?
Yeah.
Okay. Thai food pala. Steak mo, masarap, oh. Masarap naman yung food niya. Siyempre, Michelin, eh. He's a Michelin winner. The Ginger Farm Kitchen. Uy, Berna, ayun, no? Sumo wrestling. Marami sigurong hapon dito, no? Doon sa kagabi pinuntahan namin, maraming Russians. Dito siguro maraming hapon. Oh, bakit may mga sumo wrestlers, no? Siguro nga, daming Japanese restaurants ako nakikita. Dami palang restaurants dito sa Terminal 21. Oh, Thai food na naman. Ganda ng mga decorations, ha? Wow! Kami pag umiikot, wala akong ganang kumain kasi lagi akong busog from the hotel. Anara Thai Cuisine. Oh, braised lamb shank. This is good. This is Seabass?
Yes.
Cook in line? Oh, Berna. Seabass cooking line. How much? How much that one? That's my favorite of my wife. Seabass cook in line. Katabi ni lamb. Oh, yan. Titignan niya yung presyo. Maybe about 400 baht or 500. How much the price? Oh, 690.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Thank you, ah. Oh, must be good. Fresh.
Yeah.
Very fresh. Katabi ni katabi ni alimango. Sa mga pagkain niya, oh. Hot pot. Hindi to Japanese, Korean na to. Okay, so another atrium, Berna, oh. Dami niyang atrium, ah. Yan, hot pot. Ganda. Departure, Tokyo. Ayan, boat noodle, Berna. Ayan, masarap din dito, oh. Sawari. Uy, ganyan ba kamura? 20 baht lang? Mura naman yan. Is this the price? Ha? 20 baht? Oh. Very cheap. Ha? A small bowl, ah. May gimmick. A small bowl. Here, it looks like a big bowl, ah. Oh, big bowl, how much? Big? 89. Oh, 89. Ah, okay. May gimmick siya. Small bowl only. Ito. Yun ang gimmick nila. Small bowl. Mura. Aming food rito, ah. Ito pala, oh. Kung... Hello. Looks good, ah. Dito pa, ito mga to yung mga binibili ng mga magkapasalubong. Kung magkapasalubong ka pala, dito ka bibili, oh. Ah, okay. Ang dami. Meron, oh, ito yung mga masarap, Berna. Yung skin ng isda, skin ng salmon yan. Eh, masarap yan. Ayun, chicharon, no? Aba, okay. Pero yung paborito ko yung salmon skin. Dito pala mga pasalubong items na food. Baka si Cole, baka may gustong pabili, Berna. Oh, sa tapat, restaurant naman, may piri-piri. Aba, may wine bar pa. Ganda naman ng asong to. Galing, oh, ha? Nakasakay sa likod. Oh, from food to mga necklace. Pangsalubong. Ito, durian pasalubong. Naku, sarap yan. The best dito sa Thailand, basta prutas, siguradong masarap. Ganda ng pangalan, Berna, oh. Tao Ka Noi Land. Ganda ng pangalan, oh. Tao Kai Noi Land. Ayun, nung wala na si Berna, gusto kong sabihin sa kanya, dito merong river prawns. Hindi ka na kailangang pupunta ng Ayutthaya para kumain ng river prawns. Oh, wow, yummy yan. Oh, chili crab. Yummy din to. Ayan, oh, sarap yan. Ito naman, oh, pork ribs. Wow, sarap. Regular shrimps lang yan, oh. Sarap din ang picture. Galing na mga photos nila. Ito pala, Royal Nara. Ganda. Nga lang, mahal pala yung Ayutthaya River Prawns. 850. But, mga 2,000 eh. Oh, malamang. Nandito na si Berna, umu-order na. Umu-order na nga, oh. Anong ordering mo dyan? Hindi mo pa alam. Kasi ito yung Ginger Farm. Okay. Ito yung maraming awards. Yun, oh, Michelin Awards, oh, nakalagay, oh. They've been winning the awards. They're being ranked by, Michelin, oh. Michelin. No wonder they become famous. Itong Ginger Farm Kitchen. Okay. Si Berna, basta may Michelin. Siyempre, gusto niyang ma-try. Ang ganda ng mga yung mga nasa bubong niya. Oh. Okay naman presyo, no? Okay, my drinks is Thai.
Sorry?
Thai tea with longan. Okay, one.
Mine is Thai milk tea.
Thai milk tea. Okay. Ayos.
I still choose the food.
You're still choosing. Ako, ito order ko. Thai tea with dry longan. Si Berna, milk tea. Okay, so itong order ni Berna, pineapple. Ano ito, Berna? Pineapple? Pineapple fried rice. So tingnan natin kung ganito rin ang itsura sa actual serving. 125 baht. Ayan na. Ayan yung mga drinks natin, Berna. Okay. Cheers na tayo, Berna. Okay. Cheers to the good life. Okay. Alright. Sarap, ha? Alright. So if you want to have good food, Ginger Farm Kitchen here at Terminal 21 in Pattaya.